Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. Right here in this video, I want to disclose to you guys how I made $750 worth of VERV token with this app I want to disclose to you guys. So all you need to do is to just watch this video vividly to the very end. Task PNA podcast. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so as to get notified by YouTube anytime I drop new videos, guys. So and if you find this video useful and important, do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and as well drop a nice comment, guys. So with all that being said, guys, let's go straight into the video, guys. So I'll provide the link to this site in the description box of this video, where you're gonna go download the app and you're good to go, guys. So I'm gonna be heading to my Chrome. So once you click on the link provided in the description box of this video, it will bring you to this site, with this VERV token site, guys. So here all you need to do is to just get the app downloaded right here, and you are good to go to get this $750 worth of VERV token I've gotten effectively. So you make sure you watch this video to the very end, that's any parts, in order to avoid missing the important tips, guys. So you can see right here, to get the app, you can get the app on Android, you can get the app on iPhone, and as well you can get the app on Android. You can get the app on iPhone on Apple Store, and for Android you can get it on Play Store. So to do that, as for me, I'm using an Android phone, so I will just come where it says get on Google app. So I will click where it says Google app, guys. So to download the app, that is how you're going to get to download the app. But basically, if you're coming for the first time, you need to click where it says where these three horizontal lines are. So once you click on these three horizontal lines you click where it says link to wallet. So once you click link to wallet, is when it will direct you to this page, which have the face where you can download it for Android, or for Apple, that is iPhones, or for Android. So once you just do that, for me, I'm downloading for Android, so I'll click where it says go to Google app. So once you do that, you click on download. The reason why I'm saying download again is because I've already downloaded the app. So once you click on download, the app will download it successfully, and you install it on your Android device. So once you have installed it successfully, you're good to go. So you can see this is the app right here, KWTCN. So once you download the app, you just click on it. Once you click on it, all you need to do is to copy my invitation code in the description box of this video. Is very important. Once you copy it, you paste it in the space provided during your registration, and you back up your wallet, and boom, you are good to go. No stress. The app is user friendly, and you don't have to stress yourself. So you can see right here on my balance, I have about $750 currently on my balance, guys. So how did I get this? I get it when I signed up on this wallet successfully, absolutely for free, guys. So once you sign up successfully, you're going to be given $750 worth of this VERV token, guys. It's Ethereum chain network. It's an airdrop which is yet to be launched. It's a project which is yet to be launched. So this is the wallet right here. So once you have signed up successfully, you can see I signed up today, 31st March 2026. So once you have signed up, you're given 2,500 VERV token, which is equivalent to $750, guys. So once this project has been listed successfully, you can be able to convert this VERV token to what, USDT, or any asset you want. You can convert it to USDT, you can to Ethereum, USDT or USDC, depending on the asset you want to convert it, and you will draw it straight to your wallet, guys. So I advise you all to follow me and get this for yourself, because it's absolutely for free. You don't need to stress yourself, and it will not take much of your time to get this app created successfully, guys. So once you have done that, you just receive your token once you have signed up successfully, and you are good to go, guys. So you can see the equivalence of this app right now, what that is yet to be launched, is equivalent to 0.33 USDT, guys. So all you need to do, just have to create an account and back up your wallet address, and you're good to go. So guys, that is all about this website. It's so simple and straightforward. So coming right here on where it says tax, you can see on the home page, you can see homepage, tax, VSS, support, and me. So clicking on the tax right here, you'll be given some few tax to perform, and you earn some amount of the VERV token right here. So for here, once you join their Telegram channel, you're going to be given 200 VERV token effectively, and once you join their you subscribe to their Twitter handle, you'll be given 200 VERV token, and once you just subscribe to them on YouTube, you'll be given 200 VERV token. So you just have to click on join right here to do that. It's so simple and straightforward. So clicking on the VSS icon right here, you can see you can engage here on this app for you to get more tokens for yourself, guys. So clicking on the support right here is where you can contact them if you have any question or any issue. You can contact them right here and you're good to go, guys. So clicking on the me right here is where you're going to see your profile. So this is my profile right here, and you can check out your security settings, your language settings, your team, your job application, and you can check about the wallet right here. So guys, if you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. And if you found this video and as well you like the nature of the content, please drop a nice comment and like this video for more latest content. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.